I resonate with the communicator vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the communicator vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the communicator vibration in my blueprint. Hey everybody, I'm Gandharva and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. If you're new, we do these videos every day. We explore the energies of each day so that we can find where we have these energies inside of us. If you're not new, maybe you've been watching 600 of these videos. I think there are that many. I've been doing them every day for 2 years. So there's more than 600. I'm not good at math, but you know. You do the math. Do the math. Actually, Wednesday, right? Communicator Day is a math day. Even though I'm not good at it, it's a math day. It also relates to the concept, the Eastern concept, the Jnana yogic concept of Neti, Neti. Not this, not this. I'm not the body, I'm not the mind. Immortal self I am. In all conditions I am truth, consciousness, and bliss. Or contentment, even better. This is expressed in no better place than the Ribhu Gita. The Ribhu Gita. It's a great book for Wednesday. Great book for Wednesday. It says, this ever is not. This is not you or me. Contemplate thus. All is Brahman. All is consciousness. There is no doubt of this. All is known to be nothing. All is a build-up. All is a built-up structure of words and meanings. The apprehension of all the worlds does not exist. All the holy waters are indeed unreal. All the temples of the gods, too, are unreal. All being only consciousness, the name all never is. Renouncing all forms, be of the certitude that all is Brahman. All is consciousness. All is Brahman, that is the truth, the phenomenal world. And manifestation verily, verily, do not exist. Verily. Renounce the remembrance of manifestation and resort to the remembrance of consciousness. Then, renouncing even that, be firm in your own nature. Renouncing further this established nature, remain only as the self.